And I am back with the 22 Heritage Classic by Harley Davidson. Last install was the saddlebag crash guards. And today I am putting on highway pegs, and I have to take this one back because this one's in black and that one is in chrome, and I'm not having that. And I'm putting the docking kit on the back here because in about another 4 weeks I ordered a sissy bar by Siouxicide Choppers, and that's going to be pretty nice looking. But stay tuned and I will have them on as soon as I get back with switching them out. And I'm back with the completed install. It took me about 4 hours drive time anyway, because I don't live close to a Harley Davidson dealership, so I had to return the other ones I had and installed them ones. I got kind of short legs, so I had to get the extended bracket there for that, but that's completed. And I put the quick release mount kit on the back there. This right here is not quite all the way in. I can't really focus that well on it, but I kind of stripped out the bolt on the inside, so I need to get a new bolt and then get that situated before I get my sissy bar, before it comes. I got plenty of time, but the highway pegs do look nice. I did install the the windshield bag too. Actually, I purchased that on Amazon, and it was like 30 bucks, and it's kind of good quality. And then, of course, the bolt that came with it, I ended up, you can't see it, but I ended up taking black fingernail polish and painting the end of the bolt, so you can't really see it. I was thinking about maybe doing the same thing with them bolts as well, but this is what it is so far. And we just got done having a power outage where I'm at, and so it took me about 3 days before power came back on for me to be able to upload this video and post it. The last video I had, of course, you probably heard my generator in the background. I had that thing going, and but we got power back, and then the wind, we had some severe wind, and I ended up going down the highway, and a trash can blew out right in front of my path and hit my car head on, and so I got some pretty extensive damage in my front end on that. But I got a claim. I guess I got to take that in to get it worked on. Hopefully I can find some body shop that can maybe do something with my deductible. I got too much going out, mainly on this thing here. But yeah, this is it. Looks pretty good. Like and subscribe if you would like. Leave a comment below. That helps me out. Lets me know your guys' thoughts and opinions and things like that. But until next time.